How many times do I go against your will? Then you forgive me. But yet I turn around and do the things I should then do. 'Cause I belong to you. And I know you will come through. Lord, I know I take advantage of your grace here in this Christian race. Oh, but yet I still hear you calling my name. How many times would it take for me to learn that it's only in your will? I'll never earn my life's rewards beyond what's due to me. Life eternally, riches in glory. Lord, I know I don't belong no with you 'cause I've done wrong. But yet I hear you calling my name. You're calling my name to come into your arms and to be safe from fear and harm. But knowing this, but I still choose to fight my way. And you still you say that I am He who do supply your every one of my needs. Oh Lord, I've sinned, but you're still calling. Oh Lord, I've sinned, but you're still calling. I don't know why you love me, Lord. But oh Lord, I've sinned and you're still calling. Oh Lord, I've sinned, but you're still calling. Oh Lord, I've sinned, but you're still calling my name. Oh Lord, Lord, I've sinned, but you're still calling my name. Oh yeah, you're still calling my name, my name.